monetize my YouTube channel?
Show me the money!
The obvious way to monetize your YouTube channel is YouTube AdSense, and now you've clicked off and you've run away.
And now you're gone.
But there are other ways to monetize your channel. First of all, yes, YouTube AdSense. You know, the thing that everybody talks about. You need 4,000 hours of watch time, 1,000 subscribers, or 10 million YouTube short views. But did you know that you can monetize your YouTube channel without YouTube ads? In fact, that's where I get a majority of my income from YouTube. Sponsored content. Go out there, find someone that's willing to pay you to talk about their product or service. Can't find them straight away? Not a problem. Try affiliate marketing, where you find a product or service that you are willing to talk about them in their videos, have an affiliate link to their service in the description down below, and then they click through, they purchase that service, you get a small slice. For example, I optimize my videos with VidIQ. I get the best titles, the best descriptions, the best tags. I have AI writing my videos for me. It's a service that I couldn't do without, and surprisingly enough, there's a link in the description down below. That will help monetize my channel, and you can do the same. You can also sell your own merchandise. Go to things like Spreadshirt, Teespring, create your own content, create your own t-shirts, mugs, that kind of thing, and sell those directly to your audience.
What are you wearing?
Or you could try crowdfunding, things like Patreon. And in some cases, you can also have your own community here on YouTube. See, there's a little join button down here. That's where I share private things with my channel members, and that makes me money directly from YouTube that way as well.
Yeah, where do I start?
That was a fantastic question, and if you want more YouTube questions that will help boost your YouTube channel growth, check out this playlist here.